Okay, for each problem, find the linear approximation of the given quantity. Okay, first we need to identify things first. Well, we need to identify what the original function is, f of x. Well, we have something being raised to the fourth power. So our original function is x to the fourth. We're also going to need to know the value for x. We also need to know the derivative. Well, the derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed, and then we need to know delta x. But before we can figure out delta x, what is the x value? The x value, we want it to be an integer. So the integer that 5.96 or 5 9600 is closest to is positive 6. And the delta x, what is the change? So 6 subtract 5.96 leaves you with delta x is 4/100. And you don't need to simplify that to 1/25 right now. I don't care about that. You can if you would like. But in this example, I did not do that. We're going to simplify later anyway. So now we're going to put it into this equation. So linear approximation is f of x, so x to the fourth, and our x is 6. So x to the fourth minus the derivative is 4x cubed times delta x, and then we're going to plug in our x and delta x values. So it's 6 to the fourth, subtract 4 times 6 cubed times 4/100. And then when you simplify that, 6 to the fourth is 1296. 4 times 6 cubed is 216, times 4 is 864, times 400. And when you simplify that, you get this fraction, and that approximates 1261 and 4400. And that's it. This is the key thing to know. When it's when it's less than the integer, you're going to use the delta x will be a positive amount. But if this would have been 6.04 to the fourth, and x still would have been 6, just like here, x is 6, this delta x is going to be negative 400. Because when you do 6 subtract 6.04, the difference is you have to subtract 400 to get to 6. All right. I was not explaining that very well, but that's it for